All right, going through a Tavour unboxing here. I do not remember at all what is in this, so this will be fun. Looks like a lot of stuff, though. Ooh, it's cold from being cold outside. Let's see. What is this guy? Reaper, double IPA with Amarillo, Saka hops. All right, he's fun. RAR Brewing. All right, good times. Vampire Squid Imperial Stout from KCBC, Keep County Brewers Collective in Brooklyn, New York. He has a cool looking squid there. What is in Hayden? Imperial Stout with coffee, vanilla, pecans, Warrior hops. Warrior hop sounds pretty impressive. Barley and oats. All right. Tack the Vampire Squid there. Oh, these. Oh my God, these three are fantastic. Evil Twin, one of the most fun breweries out there in the country. Cookies and cream, pumpkin spice, cappuccino stout. 12 ABV from Evil Twin out in New York. They are, if you don't know Evil Twin, you're missing out. And then maybe the best brewery out there, Anchorage Brewery. Flirting, ooh, double IPA. There we go. I like your face. Two skulls. Again, Anchorage never fails to be amazing. Ooh, may the haze be with you. IPA. It's geeky, so I'm gonna get it. So, Alpha Acid Brewing, Belmont, California. And let's see, we are going to fly through these. Oh my gosh, such good stuff here. Look at this. Back-to-back Star Wars references. Streetside Brewing, Streetside Unlimited Power, Bourbon Barrel Aged something. Imperial Pastry Stout with marshmallow and chocolate. Oh my goodness. Loving that. Oh my gosh, more space. I guess this isn't really space, but Nibblin' in Space. Coffee Stout with Milky Way coffee. I don't know what Milky Way coffee is. Anyhow, Coffee Shack, Oaxaca. There's a lot of people went into making this guy. Here. Right over there. And then one of the best cans I've ever seen. I actually already had this one, but this is quite simply amazing from Martin House. Isn't that beautiful? It's called Shell Shock. It's basically a turtle stout. Imperial stout with pecans, fudge, caramel, and vanilla. But, I mean, Martin House, they're amazing. They're fighting up there for my most favorite brewery. And they're so creative and so, I'll say geek friendly, but they do so many interesting things that are right in line with my interests. So. More Evil Twin. What is going on here? All right. Some email is their logo art. Marshmallow is the new milk sugar. And this double dry hop triple IPA brewed with marshmallow. 10 ABV. That's going to kick some butt. Haunted Hayride Pumpkin Ale from Masthead Brewing Company. Fun, 7.3 ABV. And Listerman, another really fun brewery, and they seem to love Big Lebowski a lot. BA, it really ties the room together. Imperial Blonde Stout, ooh, interesting. That's going to age for 2 years in fresh Heaven Hill bourbon barrels. Oh, Madagascar vanilla. Oh, that's going to be fun. And again, beautiful, beautiful bottle. What else is in here? Another Shell Shock. Untitled Art. I really like their stuff. And barrel aged. What is this? A barrel aged something. I'm guessing it's barrel aged. Barrel-aged Mexican-style pot de creme stout. Oh, interesting. But again, beautiful artwork back there. And what is this? Abnormal Beer Company, Stranger Things, Eddie's Last Stand. Oh, I got two Eddie from Stranger Things themed beers right now. I'll find a way to combine those into a cool picture somehow. What else? Here. All right. Matchless Treat Imperial Dark Ale. What is this? I have no clue what's going on with this guy, but looks, I'm sure it'll be tasty. Then, the fight we've all been waiting for. Ninja versus Unicorn. Double IPA. From Pipeworks. 8% ABV. Oh, here we go. MK out in San Diego. Lifeblood, what is this? Carrot cake. Oh, a carrot cake stout. All right. From McKellar out in San Diego. They are, again, another fantastic brewery. Move these guys around. But yeah, carrot cake stout sounds super fun to me. All right. Last three here. Some duplicate. All right. We got a duplicate Ninja here. And then we've got the Blizzard of 91. What is that? Oliphant Brewing? Pecan Pumpkin Pie Ale. All right. And last one, back to Anchorage. That is very pretty. That is the Shield Maiden, a triple IPA. Wow. So that will knock me on my butt. So, good times. Thank you so much.